In this video, I'll guide you through how to create expense claims in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a receipt, upload it, add all the important details, and submit it properly so it's ready for approval and reimbursement. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. Sign into your Xero account using your usual login details. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one, because expense claims are recorded within a specific organization's books. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look for the menu where you manage your spending. Today, I'll show you how to get there using the Purchases section. Move your cursor to the top navigation bar and click on Purchases. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money going out of the business, like bills and expenses, so it's the natural place to start when you want to claim something you've paid for personally. After you've clicked Purchases, you'll see a few different options. From here, click on Expenses. This takes you to the area dedicated to expense claims. Think of this page as your central hub where you can view all your past and current claims, see what's awaiting approval, and create new ones. On the Expenses page, look for the button or drop-down that says New Expense. It's usually positioned near the top of the screen. Click on the New Expense drop-down. Xero might give you a few different types of expenses you can create, but in this case, we specifically want an expense claim that you've paid for personally and need to be reimbursed for. From that drop-down, click on Expense Claim. This opens up a new expense claim form. This is where you'll add the evidence for your purchase, plus all the details your bookkeeper or approver needs to code it correctly to the accounts. One of the most important parts of an expense claim is attaching proof of purchase. Look for the option to upload an image. Click on Upload Image, then choose the photo or file of your receipt from your computer. It's a good idea to use clear photos where the date, supplier, and total amount are easy to read. If you have multiple pages for the same transaction, upload all of them here so everything is documented in one place. Once your image is uploaded, you're ready to enter the details. In the expense form, carefully fill in the key information, the contact or supplier name, the date of the expense, a description of what you purchased, the account or category it should be coded to, the tax rate, and the amount. If the expense needs to be split between different accounts or it covers multiple items, you can usually add extra lines to break it down. Take your time here because accurate coding will save a lot of questions later. If your organization tracks things like projects, departments, or tracking categories, make sure to assign those as well. And when you're happy that everything is correct and the receipt image is attached, you're ready to finish the claim. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see options to submit or approve. If you're a regular employee or user who needs someone else to sign off on expenses, click Submit. That sends your claim to the appropriate approver in Xero. If you have the right permissions and you're processing your own claim on behalf of the business, you may see an Approve option instead. In that case, click Approve to finalize the expense, and that's it. You've created an expense claim in Xero, complete with an uploaded receipt and all the key details ready for processing.